Is this another new outfit?
It is. Is it hurting your eyes?
Wow, it's like Psycho Jello.
No. Why?
You know, you ever seen those T-shirts where they say, "Are you focused?"
Right, and it's out of focus.
And it's out of
Is
focus.
this like that?
I don't know. Turn around. Let me see.
You picked it out. Is it good?
Yeah, it kind of reminds me of that little focused underpants, but I really like them. That's Under Armour. Uh-huh.
It is. This is actually underpants and a bra.
Which is keeping with your.
It's all about team underpants.
Yes, it is. So what are we gonna do today?
Okay, today we're doing upper body weight training. It's a bonus program that came when I brought Insanity last year, and
Let's see that video.
I thought I'd stick it in to see how it goes.
I love it when you do that.
Yeah, boy.
Bad.
Let's
There
go.
you
Showing a little bit of cheek. Girl, tell the club up. You and your homegirls working that butt. You got me going crazy. I don't understand, but it's something about your girl and them hot man.
Let me see them hot dance, girl. Take it to the club. Let me see you bounce that ass, girl. Take it to the club. Let me see you drop it fast, girl. Take it to the club. Go up and get up.
Let me see you shake it, girl. Your hot dance. Let me see you dirty dance, girl. Your hot dance. You got it going on, girl. Your hot dance. Go up and down. Get high, get low. Woo! Girl, you way too cute. Shaking your thing in them Daisy Dukes. I'm headed to the bar for some gin and juice, so I can get your toe up and you can act real loose. You're the center of attention, bouncing that ass like a hydraulic suspension. Sexy lady, won't you do that dance? You got it going on in them sexy hot pants, flashing that tail all up in my face. Them pants fit swell and it's showing your shape. You're the hottest thing that is all up in the scene. Is there any more room for me in those jeans? You can cause a holocaust. I want you to shake it till your ass fall off. You're just like a model posted up in the stands, and everybody's staring at your hot thing.
Let me see them hot dance, girl. Take it to the club. Let me see you bounce that ass, girl. Take it to the club. Let me see you drop it fast, girl. Take it to the club. Go up and get up.
Let me see you shake it, girl. Your hot dance. Let me see you dirty dance, girl. Your hot dance. You got it going on, girl. Your hot dance. Go up and down. Get high, get low. You got me about to call my troops. Tell them come to the club and see you in your cat suit. You got hella junk in your trunk. Man, then you got bump. Check it out, girl, you throw me off. I never thought so many girls wanna show it off. All the mother hotties, they want the hate because they know that your body it takes the cake. They better go home and try it again because them hot pants is what is happening. Baby, shake it up till that booty get the clapping. All of the guys want a little bit of action because they think you a stone cold freak. Bringing that heat and that sexy work.
That was a good workout. I haven't done that one in a while.
Hey, you did well.
Oh, that was exactly what I wanted. I wanted some upper body, arms, and shoulder work, but with cardio thrown in, this is perfect for me today. I'm really happy I picked this one.
It looked easy for you.
Well, no, it wasn't easy, but it's what you make of it, you know? Add some heavier weights, just focus on really good form. It's great.
All right.
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna have my recovery formula.
Yeah.
I earned it. I'm dripping with sweat again.
And don't forget about your secret formula. Yeah.
Shakeology.
That helps you get mommy out.
That's right. You know, really, that is my secret weapon, along with consistency. That's how I got this. So, if you want to know more about that, or if you want to have me be your coach for free, right?
I like it. For free.
Free. Check the links below. There's a little button that says see more. Open it up and you see some links how you can contact me by email or sign up for my free coaching. So anyway, that's it. Hope you have a great day. See ya for the next one.
Girl, you making me weak. Acting like a freak, showing a little bit of cheek.